Hey Barb, this is a Chicago, not a typical winter, this is a blizzard. Probably the most snow I've ever seen since I've been alive. And yeah, take two. Let's do this. Prop that open with more snow. So, this is just us. I'm not exaggerating. I'm really trying not to fall. My foot is kind of stuck in here. I don't even think I'm completely at the floor yet. This is the snow. Just, oh gosh, it feels like maybe a few inches above where the ground is. I can't even tell you how deep this is. It's definitely past my knee. So, it's cold, it's windy. We're only about a third of the way through this storm. We still have plenty to go through, and jeez, can't walk in this. It's nonsense. Everything's closed. Everything in Chicagoland area is closed, which is pretty much unheard of. I mean, even my nanny job, where my bosses are doctors, their offices are closed tomorrow, and they're telling patients, if you need a doctor, you need to go to the ER. So that's how serious this storm is. I probably hopefully won't live to see another one this intense for many, many years to come, because this just makes me long for summer like no other. There's nothing pleasant about this. Not at all. It's in my mouth. I need some cocoa.